Hello, friends. This is Bhushan Nemalekar from Daisar Connect. As we always connect with friends all over the world and invite them for DC Select Talk. I have got Dr. Jayashree Zute, a friend of mine from Mumbai, but now she shifted to US since a few years, maybe 5 years or more, which she will elaborate later on. But yeah, she is known as Dr. Jay Zute globally for all the work she has been doing for the betterment of the society. Now I have got a very responsible job which Dr. J. Sute has given me to read the entire achievement or her, work she has done. So I think you should be a bit patient to hear it because you'll be proud that she is doing such kind of work. So as it starts, Dr. J. Zute is a medical doctor since 1986 and completed her medical graduation and post-graduation from Grand Medical College, JJ Hospital. She has held many prominent positions as senior drug safety physician and senior medical advisor and reviewer in clinical trials where while working for world-renowned pharma companies like Johnson & Johnson or J&J and Sanofi. She's also an advanced clinical statistical programmer, SAS programmer. She has held an important position while working on projects funded by World Bank, very prestigious, Dr. J, congratulations. Dr. J. Zute has served in Canada, Denmark, and India, now settled in the United States of America. Dr. J has her own brand, Dr. Zute's, which is registered in the United States Patent Office. Being a seasonal life coach, she has launched many life transforming online courses on health and peace topics and has many essential health supplements under her brand. At her, all her online courses are offered at a minimum possible cost so that many can take advantage of them. She has developed online courses beneficial to persons from the age of 18, my dear friends, to the age of 100, a century actually. And, and from a common person also can benefit from that. So that is the main intention. They are very affordable. Uh, then some of the topics she covers are how to control and reverse diabetes, hypertension, blood vessel blockages, weight loss, healthy diet, meditation, leading a stress-free life while going through a hectic routine and multitasking. Generally, we work 24 by 7. So, people have to definitely take advice from her for all the above. Anti-aging facial exercises and facial massage in a scientific way, how we can control the aging process and even at times reverse aging, to some extent. Also some topics for getting, there are certain topics for getting proper sleep to control various addictions like alcoholism or cigarette smoking or drug consumption. All this with a proper goal setting and staying determined till you achieve these goals. And these courses are useful for all. So this is actually her background. Why I read it out for you is maybe as a person who has achieved all this, she would have missed it out. But the person, I'm very happy that she is a friend and she is in United States and doing really something good for the society, paying back to the society. So I have got to ask a good number of questions, which I have noted down actually, because it's very difficult to track people like Dr. J, who is always busy in a schedule. So can I start asking you my questions, Dr. J, which I have on hand?
Definitely, Bhushan. And
Yeah.
first of all, let me thank Bhushan and his team and Daisar Connect Media channel for giving me chance to be featured on your channel.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And my first question is, Dr. J. Zute, when exactly did you feel that you should do something for the betterment of the society? And how does your way of life make a difference? Please elaborate. I mean, what is the way you
Yeah,
conduct this?
yeah. From my this vast experience, what
Yeah,
I noticed is conventional medicine is always targeting at just the symptoms of the diseases.
yeah,
For example, if person has diabetes, nothing is done about diabetes disease or the root causes, why diabetes happened at the first place.
Yeah.
But focus is only on the blood sugar level, and the medications are adjusted as per the blood sugar level.
Okay.
But nothing is done to control diabetes or its root causes. Similarly, for hypertension, similar for cancer, similar for blood vessel blockage. So, being a hardcore teacher in medicine,
Yeah.
I felt very intense need to create something which will give real solution to all these chronic diseases, where I focus on explaining people the root causes. They can explore themselves what is wrong in their life, and then I give the solution to control these root causes.
Okay.
And then the disease comes under control, and the symptoms automatically uh, are under control. And many of my customers and followers could reverse their diseases, reduce
Mhm.
their medication.
Mhm.
Some could actually completely stop the medication. So similarly, for a beauty or for anti-aging thing, creams are recommended which may have many harmful chemicals in them, or there are invasive procedures, expensive invasive uh, procedures, or Botox toxin injections people take. But no one focuses on the actual root cause, why aging
Yeah.
signs appear on skin, on face and neck. So we need active and passive both kind of exercises for these muscles. Like if you go to gym and you do your exercises, so your
Yeah.
triceps become strong. But if your trainer moves your hand, it
It
won't
makes no
do that.
sense.
Yeah. So similarly, when people go to beauty parlor and get massage done, that is passive. It won't give that lasting effect or good effect. So I created that kind of course where I teach the scientific methods for active and passive facial and neck exercises, which give very good results. And then I also recommend actual health supplements which are needed for anti-aging purpose. Similar way, I I teach people on how to get good sleep, or how to do weight loss, or even on goal setting, addiction control. So that is how I entered
Okay.
into this.
So to summarize what you said just now, Dr. J.S. Utte, one should self-introspect and find out what exactly is a deep cause of the issue which is happening, and you are there to guide them as to how to eradicate that cause, isn't it?
Yes,
Because what we are doing is we are doing it superficially. We are just doing it on the outer side of it, but we are not taking care of the inner thing which is supposed to be taken care of, isn't it? As
yes,
what you said,
exactly.
beauty, and you're talking about sleep, because these are very important topics. Sleeplessness and addictions, these are areas where people actually face a lot of problems. And my dear viewers, my friends, all over the world of the Isar Connect, or who's watching this conversation with Dr. J. Zute, please try and understand you have got a very good friend who can guide you in this. So whenever I'm going to conclude the interview and going to host it on the Isar Connect, I'll give all the details pertaining to her website, her Instagram, and various other addresses wherever she could be connected. So please ensure that you connect with Dr. Zute. The next question, can I proceed further, Dr. J? Okay. Uh, I can't hear your voice.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
So it says, could you please advise my viewers as to how uh, is the response you're deriving from the citizens of US, and would you like to give some examples or instances the support you're deriving from them?
Yes, actually, holistic health approach is very well appreciated
Yeah.
all over the world.
Mhm.
And me being originally from India,
Yeah.
they really respect my knowledge about the traditional Indian healthy way of living,
Yeah.
and herbal things, my knowledge about the herbs and all. They respect it. And so they want to have consultation with me online or in person, and
Okay.
then they join my courses or get my health supplements. And I have got many very good reviews, which you will be able to see at my website and at the information pages about my courses. I got very good reviews.
Very good. Uh, this is, a very good thing that you're doing, because there are a lot of people who are connected, who are there on Daisar Connect, Dr. J, and they are in US. People who are known to us from Daisar, like how you have shifted base. There are our students and many more families. So I'm sure they would get in touch with you and avail your expertise.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yes.
So I want to move down to the third question, which I have specially made for you. How do you feel that Daisarites, all my viewers on Daisar Connect and globally should connect with you? Of course, as I told you, I'll put all the addresses and everything. And further down, does Ayurveda play a major role here, and what you're offering to your clients? Ayurveda is the base of what you're actually offering the clients. Could you
Yeah.
specify?
I will tell you, like, first how they can connect with me.
Yeah.
First of all, they can go to my website, drzut.com, drzute.com, where they can find my all life-changing online courses. They can get my health supplements. They can connect with me on Zoom meeting if they want any consultation. There is free ebook for everybody. You can download free ebook on my website, which is
Great.
about reversal of aging. And then there are also some tools which I have provided, free
Yeah.
tools which will help in improving your health state. So, and also you can connect with me by sending me email to contact@drzute.com, and I myself will reply to all your queries. So yeah, like this, you can connect with me, and also you can subscribe to my Facebook page and YouTube channel, where I regularly upload some health and peace related free videos. So you can avail of that also.
Okay.
And second question was about Ayurveda. Yes,
Yeah.
so I have integrated
Mhm.
the principles of Ayurveda
Mhm.
and the lifestyle, traditional Indian lifestyle, which is proven in many ways, and also the organic herbal things, how they can help you in improvement of your health. So when you connect with me, you get the best combination of allopathy and Ayurveda. That I can say.
Very good. So, isn't it nice, my dear friends, where there are a good number of things which are actually offered free also by Dr. J. The book which is there, which is offered, as well as certain advices which are for free. So, first take that, and then, as she has mentioned certain details about her email, the website, web addresses, and all that, get in touch with her, because somebody from our country who really cares for individual health and betterment, and who's known to the ISER Connect, why not give that person a chance to be a part of your lifestyle? And I'm sure it will definitely be very positive. That's what I feel. What do you say, Dr. J?
Yes, definitely. I am always there for everybody to
Very
offer
nice.
whatever help I can.
Very good. Okay, coming to my next point, I want to ask you, with so much of competition around, individually I'm talking about, where people have so much of stress every day, because if you're in marketing, if you're in sales, if you're a VP, CEO, or a doctor, engineer, whatever, you work at least 15 to 16 hours or maybe more than 12 hours. So how do you avoid that stress, and how do you have a stress-free life? Do you have some points where you can share your wisdom on that?
Yes. Yes, definitely. So I do guide these people all
Mhm.
like all over the world. Many are stressed,
Mhm.
and these this stress can lead to many diseases like diabetes, hypertension. People at higher positions like CEO, directors, many a times we hear that they get heart attack at the age of 30, 35, 40. So why this happens? So the root cause is the very high level of stress. And this is not only for this high demanding position, even a homemaker is very highly stressed with so much of multitasking to be done in day-to-day life. And I teach about meditation, but it is not just a way of doing meditation. What is unique about my teaching is I teach the principles of meditation, how and why these principles are to be understood and implemented in our day to day life. 24 by 7, I will say. So I teach that. And so the person is not relaxed only during the half an hour of meditation, but if he learns the art of applying these principles 24 by 7, he can be relaxed throughout the day while doing his multitasking or high demanding job. So that is the uniqueness which at least I did not find anywhere on the internet. And second thing, like to be less stress free, I think you need to set up your goals properly. First, identify the goals, set up the goals, set up the achievable timelines, and then stay determined without getting stressed. And when you reach the goal, that relaxes. So this whole process, how to uh, proceed ahead on your goal achievement path with a relaxed mind, that is all what I teach people.
Very
So
nice.
and yeah, they get very good results
So
and they
you,
can avoid this deadly diseases also, definitely.
so your advice to my viewers globally is, uh, don't just take this as an initiative and then stop it. Let that be a part and parcel of your life, and make it more disciplined. This is what you want to suggest?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Because even if you have something like a goal setting, it can't be just for 15 days or a month. Let that percolate down for many more years to go, so that you
And
are.
yeah, yes,
And then in the meantime, you are always connected with Dr. J. Zute to find something more, if she's got to offer, so that, they can be still a better person of what you are, at the present stage. This is what I gather from what you have explained, isn't it, Dr. J?
yes, yes, definitely. Yes.
Very good. So moving down, how would you like to, advise my viewers on the ISER Connect to get on board with you? I mean, what should be their first step post they watch your this interview? Do they get in touch with you on, the addresses and everything mentioned by you, and then start taking proper courses?
Yes, definitely. And yeah, you are going to give them all my links so they
Yeah.
can connect with me in many ways. And again, in this pandemic situation, just I want to
Yeah.
tell people that if you are facing some economic problem, I am offering something to my community, which is something unique. You can go to my website and you will find some way to add to your earnings. And I'm also a experienced Amazon seller, so I'm going to create some course for the people where I will be giving them the inside secrets of Amazon selling, and if they can learn from that, they can add to their income also, certainly. So for due to this pandemic situation, many are facing economic problems. So I'm offering this help to them because money issue can be a major stress factor and which can give lead to many diseases. So this is also to be tackled properly. And yeah, in this pandemic, we are learned to give value to our close family members and close friends who are our support system. Initially, we used to take them granted, but now
Yeah.
we really value them. And yes, I wish that we all should continue to value our support system.
True.
And
So continue.
yeah, and also that what I want to say is like if you are healthy, you are able to earn more and you are also able to use that money for your enjoyment in a better way. But if you are unhealthy, you are spending your money on treatments, on treating the complications, you cannot enjoy your wealth. So put your health before your wealth and
Very
take
nice.
the timely actions to get control over your health and before it is too late.
Very, very aptly put by Dr. J. Zute that health is the prime thing in life. Even if you have millions and billions of dollars or rupees, whatever, stashed somewhere, and if you have a unhealthy life or health which is not supporting you, everything is a waste. So what Dr. J. Zute says is, get a proper discipline life, get in touch with her. Maybe you get a proper path, have a healthy life. Don't spend your earnings on treatments, as what you said, on hospitalizations. Instead, just get the mantra, as we call it, for a better life from Dr. J. Zute, and I'm sure life would be much better. Isn't that what you wanted to say?
Exactly. Yes.
Great. Okay. I wanted to also make a mention before we conclude, this conversation that, Dr. J. Zute is from Daisar. Her mom, Dr. Pushpa D. Zute, I mean, we have known her personally because they were in Bank of Baroda building, which I just made a mention about a couple of days back, Sharda Nivas, which was a very old listing, and there was a tremendous response on that also. There was Jayashree Hospital, probably I'm sure named after you,
Yes.
and it was inaugurated by Dr. Girard, as what you have mentioned in one of your write-ups. So her connection with Mumbai, her connection with Daisar is pretty old, and she's coming back to her roots, expecting all family and friends to take some advice, take some help, and it's not always monetary. Maybe you can take some the e-books which are there, go through that, and if you feel yes, take the next step of taking advice from Dr. Zute, and maybe life would be much better. So, and her mom, as what she has mentioned in her small revert, that her mom is 80 years young now, and she is pretty happy to hear about Daisar and all Daisarites. So, don't you think, Dr. J, that Daisar Connect is playing a major role in connecting people all over the world and bringing them together?
Yes, definitely. Your activities are making people all around the world very happy. I can see that. And
Thank you so much.
yes, they feel connected, and that is important.
True.
Otherwise, we are busy in our routine schedules all over the world. But you are making everyone to get connected,
That is what
making
the intention is. And before I conclude, I missed out on one point which Dr. J said, that she is offering you something where you can earn. There are a lot of people who may have lost their jobs, God forbid. But the ground situation is such that pandemic has caused a little bit of turmoil. And if that is the situation, then just try and understand what Dr. J has to offer. Get in touch with her, and maybe even a homemaker also who's interested in that, who's confident enough to go ahead with the offer, can make a good amount of survival or money, and she would be stress free, isn't it?
yes, yes, definitely.
Because homemakers are not, I mean, they're not just people who take care of the family. They are most important. They are the spinal cord. They are the background. I mean, they are the what do you call, the support system for the family. So
Yes,
even if they feel that in their spare time they can be in touch with you and support whatever business you have or offer what you have, I'm sure they also can earn a decent amount of money, which could
Yes.
make the family happy around.
Yes, of course.
Okay, before we conclude, would you like to say something to all your viewers, all your friends from Daisar, so that we can wind up with a nice and a positive note?
Yes, just I view the comments on your channel and
Yeah.
all the posts, and I find many names which are familiar to me.
Okay.
And definitely, as I feel connected with everybody, they must also be feeling very happy. And I am always there for all the Daisarites. I will go out of my way to help you all. My promise to you.
So kind of you. It's so nice to have connected with you, Dr. J, after a long, long time. And please convey our namaskars to your mom. Though she
Definitely.
is 80 years young, but still she deserves all the respect from us. So
Definitely.
that is how we would conclude our conversation today. Thank you very much for your precious time.
Thank you, Bush. Thank you.
God bless you.